Hi, Mandy Hofford, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. I recently came back from a trip to Hawaii with my husband where I took a couple of videos, and I'd like to share them now with you because I think that you might find them to be helpful.
Okay, we're in Kauai. It's Valentine's Day, and my Valentine couldn't stand all the streaks on these windows looking out to this amazing view from our VRBO here on Kauai in Poipu. So yeah, gotta love a Valentine who will Norwex the windows just because he wanted to. I did not say a word. He actually had asked me before we left to bring along an enviro and window cloth for sure so that we'd have them for our rental cars. Little did we know we'd have a beautiful enough view to even do the windows. So getting all the streaks all left behind by what we would assume to be Windex. It's better, but I think there's still product there to wipe off. But it's a ton better. Look at the beautiful view. We are thankful.
So if you have any comments or questions, drop those below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.